Good morning to all. Here we are to discuss about the admission process for direct secondary engineering. So simply type CET Maharashtra in Google, then open the first tab. This is your first tab. Welcome to State Common Entrance Test Cell Maharashtra. Then you have to come under this section, undergraduate courses. In this section, you have to click on direct second year engineering. These are the important dates. You have to fill your application in between 2nd November to 15th November. The provisional list will come on 17th of November and the final list will come on 21st of November. And you can apply for the CAP round 1 from 22 onwards. And CAP round 2 process will start on 1st of December. So these are the important dates. Now the very first step, new candidate registration. This is your first step for the admission process. So you have to fill the basic details over here, your full name. Now you have to enter your name as per your SSC mark sheet. So remember this, your surname will come first, then your name, then your middle name, then email ID, mobile number, then select the state Maharashtra, select the district, then password, confirm password. After clicking on register, you have to enter a OTP, and after that you will get application ID, or we can say registration number. So once you got the registration ID, then simply click on registered candidate login. Means you are already registered. Then simply enter that application ID and enter the password, enter the captcha by adding or subtracting the given numbers. Then simply click on login. So this is the interface which you will get. Now you have to click on select scrutiny mode over here. Now this is the very first step. After logging, you have to select this scrutiny mode. Now there are two modes, e-scrutiny mode and physical scrutiny mode. If you can visit the college, then you can go for the physical scrutiny mode. In that, you have to carry your original documents for the document verification purpose. Whereas if you can't visit any FC center or can't visit any college, then you can directly go for the e-scrutiny mode. Simply you have to upload the documents and your all documents will get verified by the government approved colleges. So I'm selecting over here physical scrutiny mode. Simply click on save and proceed. Then you have to select the district. Okay, let us say I'm selecting Mumbai city as a district, then FC. Okay, if I'm selecting Thane, then I'm getting two FC centers, the LR Tiwari College of Engineering, which is in Mira Road, and one is EPISA College, Institute of Technology, which is in Thane. So let us say I'm selecting LR Tiwari. For example, you have to select the date and slot on which date you can visit the college for the document verification. So this is that date. So you can see over here, these are the slots are available on 11th of December. So simply you can select any slot in which time you can visit that FC center or college. So let us say 3 to 4 p.m. I'm selecting on 11th December. Simply click on submit. Then you are applying on the basis of diploma. Then you have to select the candidature type. If you have completed your diploma from Maharashtra state, then you have to select type A. So we all are comes under this type A candidature, and simply click on save and proceed. Now you have to select the district from where you have completed your 10th standard. So it will be Palghar. Let us say, for example, and from which district you have passed your diploma. So it will again Palghar. From which institute you have completed your diploma. So let us say Vidyavardhini Bhavsai Vartak Polytechnic. Then it is MSBT affiliated. Then we have to select anyone out of this. If you have the birth certificate of we have the birth certificate, or we are having the living certificate or any other certificate, let us say domicile. So let us say that I'm having the living certificate. I do not have any birth or domicile certificate. Make a note of this. Means the options are being opened one by one over here. You can see over here. First, I've selected the scrutiny mode. Then I've selected the type of candidature. Then I filled the details. Okay. Then I have to select the category details. I have to fill the category details. So let us say if the category is open, then you can go for AWS. If you are having the certificate, then simply you can click on yes. If you don't have the certificate, then simply click on no. If you belongs to OBC, SC, NT, then click on this reserved category. Then select your category. Let us say SC category, you belongs to SC category, then you have to select the caste, from which caste you belong. You have to select the status of your caste, means your validity certificate, it is available, not available, or available but not received. So you can select any one option. So let us say I'm selecting the open category and I do not have EWS certificate. So simply click on no. Person with disabilities, click on no. Defense details, simply click on no. Now certificate of Indian nationality of the candidate. So you can select anyone from this, means you are an nationality candidate. So you can select the birth certificate, simply click living certificate and simply click on save and proceed.
सर अगर मेरे पास कास्ट का वैलिडिटी नहीं है पर कास्ट सर्टिफिकेट है, चलेगा क्या ओबीसी में?
इसके लिए तुम लोग क्या कर सकते हो मालूम है, एफसी सेंटर से प्रॉपरली ई स्क्रूटनी मोड में मत जाना. जिसके पास में डॉक्यूमेंट्स में कुछ भी डाउट है, डायरेक्टली गो फॉर फिजिकल मोड. सो इन दैट when you will visit the FC center, they will be informing you whether that is required or not. If you have to select, if validity is available, then simply click on available. If the validity is not available, then you have to select that option not available and you visit the FC center. Then whatever the information they are providing you, according to that you have to work on that.
सर मतलब अभी मेरे को एफसी सेंटर में ना जाना हो तो मैं ई सिक्योर स्क्रूटिनी मोड कर सकता हूँ कि नहीं करूँ?
यस यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो फॉर ई स्क्रूटनी मोड.
सर मेरा 10th ना कर्नाटक से कंप्लीट किया है, तो फिर उधर बोर्ड अलग चेंज होगा ना, मतलब ऑप्शन अलग आएगा ना कुछ?
हाँ, वहां पे महाराष्ट्र की जगह कर्नाटक आएगा और तुम्हारा जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट है 10th का वो आएगा.
उससे कुछ अलग से सर्टिफिकेट लगेगा क्या, माइग्रेशन सर्टिफिकेट ऐसा कुछ लगेगा?
No certificate is required because you have completed a diploma from home institute and you are applying for the Mumbai University. That does not required. Okay, you are taking the admission in Maharashtra only, so nothing is required.
मेरा डोमिसाइल ना बन रहा है अभी, बनने प्रोसेस में है, तो फिर वो अभी क्या भी लगेगा कि एडमिशन के बाद सबमिट करेगा चलेगा?
For the time you can use the living certificate for your nationality, and if you are applying for ABC or any other scholarship, then at that time you have to provide that domicile certificate. Okay,
ऊपर एडमिशन के बाद ना सर वो?
Yes, after the admission.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so after filling the category details, the next step is to fill the qualification details. So simply click the board, that is Maharashtra board, Maharashtra State Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education. Then you have to put your seat number or roll number. Then you have to select the year of passing. Okay, if you enter the seat number, then according to that your marks will automatically get filled over here. Okay, if not get filled, then you can fill in the values. Okay, in SSC mathematics, how much marks you have obtained, let us say 98 out of 100, so percentage will be 98. That will be automatically calculated. Now after filling the SSC details, on the bottom side you have to fill the diploma details. Okay, so diploma status passed. The diploma pattern was semester wise. Okay, we are having the 6th semester as per Maharashtra State Board of Technical Education. Whether medium of instruction was English at diploma, then click on yes or no. If you have any other medium, Marathi or any other medium, then you can click on no. Final semester year seat number. Okay, the final semester, it is 6th semester, seat number you have to enter over here. You have to enter your enrollment number. Okay, that 9-digit 10-digit enrollment number. Then passing year. Okay, it will be 2021. Diploma course. You can select the diploma course as per your branch. Okay, for now we are discussing about the mechanical engineering, so definitely the mechanical engineering option will come. Then if you have passed 12th standard, then you can click on passed, or you can simply click on not appearing. Okay, then you can click on save and next. Okay, now I'm not going ahead from this page because I will not be entering the details. Now after this step is to upload your photograph. Okay, photograph and signature. Then after uploading the photograph and signature, you have to do the payment. Now, after doing the payment, you have to upload all the documents. If you have selected the caste or any caste, let us say OBC, then you have to upload the OBC caste certificate and validation of that certificate, non-creamy layer. Okay, everything which comes under that particular caste, then you have to upload all those certificates. You have to upload your living certificate. You have to upload your diploma mark sheet and 10th mark sheet in that last page. Okay, that will be the last option, means uploading the documents. Okay, after that, once you have uploaded the documents, simply click on submit. The last step is to enter the OTP. Means if you have entered the OTP, that means what? You are going for the final submission. So before that, you verify all the details which you have filled, then go for the final submission. Then enter the OTP, then click on submit. Then our application form will be generated. You can print that application form and you can take that application form at the FC center with all the original documents which you have mentioned in your application form. The slot which you have selected, in that slot you have to visit the FC center. Over there, your documents will get verified. Okay, and after that, you will get the notification that all the documents has been verified and your application form has been accepted. That means what? Your application form has been successfully submitted.
सर ई स्क्रूनिटी में मेरे को एफसी सेंटर जाना पड़ेगा कि नहीं जाना पड़ेगा?
No need to go in e-scrutiny mode. That is the online mode. If you can't visit the college, if you can't go somewhere, if you can't move, then simply select e-scrutiny mode.
मतलब सर बाद में वेरीफाई कराने नहीं जाना पड़ेगा ना?
No need to go anywhere. That will get verified with the government college, and you will get the update. Means your documents has been verified. You will get that notification, your message. The last year seat matrix they have provided of 2020 and 21. This year seat matrix they have not provided, and the last year cutoff they have provided. So you can visit this seat matrix, and you can, and in that seat matrix you can visit the colleges for which you are looking for the admission. The colleges are having how many seats you can see in this PDF, and according to that, the seats can be on this year also. Means the number of seats can be on this year also as that of previous, and some carry forward seats are also there, so that will also be included in this year. Means someone is not taking the admission, or in that college the some seats are vacant, so that will be carry forward in this year. Okay, so that will also be there on this year. Okay, this year seat matrix is not available. This is a seat matrix of last year. So simply Control F mechanical, or you can directly type the college name for searching the college. Here we are in mechanical engineering group. You can see the college, Saraswati Education Society, Saraswati College of Engineering, which is in Kharghar, Navi Mumbai. The number of seats are 48 for cap round. Okay, so this you have to remember. Now you can see for general the number of seats are 16. This is for general. This is for ladies. Okay, ladies open. Then is in SC category. In all the categories, there will be two subcategory: general and ladies. Okay, in general, male and female both can apply, and this seat is only for the ladies. Okay, only for the girls. So this is how you can visit all the colleges. Which college is was having how many seats in the last year. In the similar way, you can see the cutoff for the last year for cap round 1 and for cap round 2 by clicking on this view section. So this is how you can open this website and you can fill the application form. Click on this list of FC center. Now you can see over here.
सर मगर पालघर ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करे ना पालघर, तो ये पालघर का कॉलेज आ रहा क्यों नहीं है सर?
Yes, that is a major issue. For that you have to wait for some time. Means actually that is the problem of this CT Maharashtra website. Means they have not uploaded the details. The site is not working properly. What we can say means they have not uploaded all the details, so that we are not getting that option. So wait for one more day, and you can apply by tomorrow, or you can apply in today evening also. So wait for some time. Most of the students are facing the same problem. Yes, any other question, anyone, any doubt, you can directly ask. एक
फॉर्म फिलिंग के लिए कॉलेज जा सकते हैं?
किसके लिए? यस, यू
फॉर्म फिलिंग के
कैन
लिए?
you can go, you can visit FC Center for form filling, for document verification, for anything, for uploading the documents, for uploading the photograph. Okay, you can do anything in FC Center, but related to this.
सर EWS का ऑप्शन ई स्क्रूटिनी मोड में नहीं है क्या?
No, that e-scrutiny mode means what? That is only for the document verification. All the options will be there in e-scrutiny mode and in physical mode. Whatever the form you will be filling, that will be same for both the modes. Okay, that will not differ. There won't be any difference. Okay, while filling the form.
हेलो सर।
Yes, Mohak.
सर आपने जो स्टार्टिंग में वो स्लॉट का बताया था वो क्या था?
Slot means you have to select the date. किस डेट पे तुम एफसी सेंटर में जा सकते हो और किस स्लॉट में जा सकते हो, कौन से टाइमिंग में, तो तुमको डेट और टाइम सिलेक्ट करना है। जिस डेट पे
सर मतलब एफसी सेंटर में जाना जरूरी है क्या?
फॉर फिजिकल मोड इट्स कंपलसरी, फॉर ई स्क्रूटनी मोड नो नीड टू एनीवेयर।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
सर वो वेरिफिकेशन 12th से पहले करना है ना?
15 से पहले करना है। 15 इज द लास्ट डेट फॉर वेरिफिकेशन।